Anil Ambani's summons by the ED is concerned, he has appeared before the Enforcement Directorate, this in connection with the 17,000 crore loan fraud. The Enforcement Directorate's officials are probing an alleged 17,000 crore bank loan fraud involving multiple companies under Anil Ambani. And the core of the investigation, viewers, concerns massive loan defaults and disputed practices spanning financial year 2017 to 2021, including allegations of fund diversions, fake guarantees, and also evergreening of loans and bribery. We have Aditya joining us live. Aditya, tell us what's happening. Anil Ambani is appearing before the Enforcement Directorate. What is the ED looking into? Aditya.
Well, the first, Anil Ambani has reached the ED office. First of all, Anil Ambani has reached the ED office today, and today the investigation is all about a fact, about verifying facts that whether a forged bank guarantee of 5.40 crores were issued by the Biswal to the Reliance Group to get a bank guarantee of 68.2 crores. Now, this is a bribe for forged bank guarantee statement to allot a tender of SECI. This is the first matter on which the ED is set to confront the Biswal and Anil Ambani in the same room, on the same table, to verify the fact. In this case, the Biswal was arrested on August 1. Last Saturday, the matter was before the special court, in which the special court extended the custody of Biswal to the ED till tomorrow. Now today, Anil Ambani was called for hearing in ED headquarters. So today, this will be a confrontation, a face-to-face between Anil Ambani and Biswal on whether the fact presented by the Biswal before the ED has some evidentiary or credible value. And the second is the bribe to loan. The bribe to loan case is about Yes Bank, in which earlier findings by the ED has found out that a certain amount or a bribe was paid to the Yes Bank before assigning or approval of loans up to 3,000 crores. So there are two bribe cases here. The first about forged bank guarantee, and second about issuance of loan by the Yes Bank. And the third, the matter is also being assigned or being supervised by the SEBI and the NFRA. Last year, SEBI has found for the case of RHFL that Anil Ambani was the mastermind of diverting around 6,000 crores rupee on a GPCL which led to an NPA of RHFL money. And second, about NFRA findings on the auditors. Now, in this case, the auditors who were there in the RHFL for 2018 and 19 were debarred from the market before PwC was allotted and assigned, and then PwC resigned and asked the government to investigate what's actually happening with the financial of RHFL. So in this case, the major updates are the first about the bribes, that the group has given bribe to forge a bank guarantee statement to ensure a SECI tender. And second, bank issued money or bribe as an act of quid pro quo to advance loan from the Yes Bank just prior to the approval of loans.
Also, Aditya, is there a larger pattern of such, fake guarantees in Anil Ambani's tenders, or was this the first such, fake guarantee that was signed by them?
This fake guarantee scheme actually is a quite curious case, because the company alleges here that they have been defrauded by issuance of a fake bank guarantee. In their statement, they allege that a fake bank guarantee was issued, which actually defrauds the company, and the company alleges that they have filed a FIR in Delhi regarding the matter. So in this case, the point is that now EDI need to confront both Biswal and Anil Ambani to ensure what is the credible fact here. The first, whether they both were in cohorts together, or second, Biswal actually defrauded Anil Ambani to issue a forged bank guarantee to get or allot a SECI tender. Now this is a big, and that's why on last Saturday, ED actually extended the custody for the Biswal till Tuesday. So today they can actually confront both on the same room, on the same table, and get the facts straight that whether both were in cohorts together or actually did Biswal defrauded Anil Ambani by issuing a forged bank guarantee on which the ED alleged that around 5
That's right,
crores were
Aditya.
paid
And today, like
by
you said, Anil